The Power of Words, a Story to Inspire. In a small village nestled in the valley of green hills, there lived a blind old man named Rajan. Though he couldn't see, Rajan had a cheerful heart and was known for his kind words. He spent most of his days sitting at the edge of the bustling marketplace, holding a small sign that read, "I am blind. Please help." Many people passed by, but only a few dropped coins into his tin can. Most were too busy, distracted by the hustle of their own lives. Rajan accepted his fate and never complained. One day, a young woman named Asha stopped by. She observed Rajan for a while, noticing his calm demeanor despite the sparse clinking of coins. Curious, she approached him and said, "May I change the words on your sign?" Rajan tilted his head and smiled. "You're kind to ask. Of course, you may." Asha picked up the sign, flipped it over, and wrote something new. She placed it back beside Rajan and walked away, blending into the crowd. That day, something extraordinary happened. People began to stop more often. Some dropped coins, others bills. Rajan's tin can filled faster than it ever had before. Curious to know what had changed, Rajan asked a passerby to read the new words on his sign. It now read, "It's a beautiful day, and I cannot see it." The message struck a chord. It reminded everyone of their own blessings, the sights they took for granted, the beauty of the day that surrounded them. Rajan's words no longer simply asked for help, they painted a picture and evoked emotion. Days turned into weeks, and Rajan's life improved. The villagers began to look out for him, offering food, clothing, and companionship. More than coins, the words on the sign gave Rajan something even greater, connection and humanity. One day, Asha returned to the marketplace. Rajan recognized her voice immediately. "Thank you for changing my sign," he said, his voice filled with gratitude. Asha smiled. "It wasn't just the sign I changed, Rajan. Words are powerful. They can open hearts and transform lives." This story is a reminder of the immense power words hold. Whether they are written or spoken, words can inspire, heal, and connect. They can change perspectives, bring hope, and ignite kindness. Choose your words wisely, they might be the light someone else needs.